getting me up, getting up high, getting into some rougher terrain, more steeper terrain. And I haven't mentioned to you guys yet that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, especially Saturday, Sunday, New Year's, it's supposed to snow like crazy, so I might be up here for a while. A couple of those spots I passed through, I was like, man, if it's snowing or raining or something, there's no way I'm gonna get through that, so we shall see. Alright, so here's a little spot here. I haven't had service in a while, and I don't think I'm gonna get any. That looks super steep. I don't know, I'm feeling maybe like I should just play it safe a little bit. I've already kind of gone through some areas I probably shouldn't have, especially if it's gonna be snowing. And I actually took the wrong turn. I'm actually off of Wheeler's Pass. I'm going up towards Mount Charleston, but I know where I passed it at, which was like a wash, so there was no way I'd be able to go down a wash anyway. I would never risk a wash. I've tried that many times and always failed, so I think I'm gonna just pull into this spot here, and this might be home for a couple days, if not a week. I better enjoy the sun while I can. I think today is the last decent day, and then it's gonna be nice and cold and snowy. I mean, there's snow up here now. It hasn't snowed in like 4 days, so we're definitely gonna get snow here. Oh, some firewood. It's a little bit far from the van, but we'll figure it out. I might walk up there, up the hill a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna walk up the road a bit here to see if there's any service up the top, or better spots or anything. I'm sure if I was going fast enough I can make it up this, but I'm just wondering what it'd be like after a couple days of snow. For some reason my new wireless microphone isn't charging. Oh, I'm running out of breath. So I don't know, I gotta figure out what's up with that. I might have to return it, get a new one, but been talking about new microphone. I was hoping this spot maybe had service nice up on the top of the hill, but not man, here's a nice little corner spot, but no service, so it might be some lonely time, quiet time, secluded time out in the mountains. What are you doing in them trees over there? Jubilee! Well, I don't see the service getting any better. It seems like it's just getting icier and higher up in the mountains, so I think I'm just gonna turn around and just tough it out. The service was about maybe a mile or two back where we came from. Come on, Jade. We're gonna go back to the van. Come on. We're just gonna go back. Don't run me over. Ooh. Whoa. Slip and slide. Okay, so I decided to use this little corner fire pit here. Figured if it's going to be nasty for a while, this spot's going to be kind of useless, so might as well take advantage of it. So I'm going to rebuild this a little bit so I can get the grate on there and chop up that wood. What'd you do with your stick? Where'd it go? Get that stick. Get it! Get that stick! So, it's been a long time since I've gotten one, but I've gotten a donation meal from Chris, and he would like to see me do a baked potato over a fire, which seems perfect. And it's kind of ironic actually, because my uncle and I just went to a new baked potato place in Pahrump, and it was okay. It wouldn't be one of my go-to places. I won't say the name just because I don't want to sound like I'm bashing on them, but it wasn't my favorite. But I think I'm going to make a good baked potato here. And it's not that there wasn't good. It was just a lot of other things. The service, the menu, the prices. You know, a long time ago, I had this envision for a YouTube channel where I would live on the road and drive around the United States and try all of the best sandwiches in America, pretty much. And I don't know, that was probably like 6 years ago. It would be an expensive investment, just like eating out every week. But anyway, I'm just trying to get this thing together. So anyway, so baked potato, I'm gonna do some spinach with it and some chicken breast. We'll get into that here in a second. I think I might got it here. Yeah. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Hiya! Watcha! 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 What's wrong? Is Daddy being weird? She's hiding. Alright, here we go. Got my loaded baked potato. There's the potato. It's gonna have the rest of this Colby Jack and some Parmesan. Do some cooked spinach, some chicken, and then I'm gonna do like a foil pack with some onions, garlic, and pepper, and then it'll be topped off with the green onions and parsley. So I'm gonna get the potato going because that's probably gonna take a while. Let's give this some good stabbing so we could cook through. Okay. We don't want that thing to take forever. Get the old glove on there. Alright, got the salt and pepper mix. Ooh. Make sure you got the glove on. A lot of salt and pepper. Hopefully it's not too much. Get the garlic. Alright, let's get that on the fire. Ooh. Where's my poker? Fire's a little weak. Just set this in there. There you go. I just gotta keep on top of the fire. Got a bunch of more pieces cut there, so should be cooking on along. Alright, let's do some salt and pepper in there. I forgot to cut up the butter. Alright, butter. A lot of butter. Poking out a little bit there, but what do you? I'll just keep that up top there for right now. It's not going to take nearly as long as the potato. I'm going to throw half of those chicken breasts on for Jade. Smash out my chicken so it doesn't take so long. Voila. On there. I kind of like it at this consistency. It's easier to work with. Salt and pepper. Garlic. I feel like it needs one more thing. There's some onion on there. And I'm just gonna throw throw this chicken on there. Gosh, God, I keep smoked out. Whew. Following me. potato's probably cooking faster than I think it is, so we'll just get these going. Let's check this potato. I don't know what to expect. Fried chicken smells delicious. Push it at me. Okay. Let's not quite. Let's speed up the process here. It's pretty dang close though. I should have kept it on there like 10 more minutes. But maybe dress it up a little bit. Garlic. Just wait. Let's do that. We'll just set it on top of the grill for a little while. The snow is slowly dropping. We'll just plop that on there and let that chill for a little while. Never done it in a foil pack before. But we're gonna give it a shot. Some Parmesan in there. Salt, pepper, garlic. Like it's a snowing. Alright, I'll just throw that on there and that shouldn't take too long at all. All right, let's do the spinach. Chicken. Oh yeah, look at that. Get that on there. And last but not least, just for classic purposes, green onion. And that, my friends, is a loaded baked potato. Oh, the snow stopped. It's a little break before the madness. Man, this is a loaded baked potato. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Perfectly soft. The skin is so delicious. Thank you, Chris, for the donation and the idea. If you guys don't know what the donation meal is, pretty much like if you want to see me make a specific meal or whatever, maybe it's one of your favorite meals or a family recipe, or you know, maybe you want to challenge me or some sort. So yeah, so pretty much you just like leave a donation for the ingredients and then I make it. And I'd say 10 out of 10. I don't get the Master Ranch Chef name for nothing, so this is so damn good. Jade's liking hers. That potato is just absolutely perfect. Everything is good. Well, it's been quite the journey getting up here. I have like 1 bar of service if I go stand behind those trees over there, so that might keep me alive. And yeah, it's supposed to snow pretty good the next couple days, and we're gonna stick it out, right, Jade? So thank you guys, and all the Patreons and the donators. We love you, and the next time you see us, we'll be buried in snow. So think about us. Give us some warm prayers. We'll see you on the next adventure. Adios. Man.